In this video I am going to explain how to draw the different view of the given object. So before getting into the video, if you haven't watched any of those basic videos, kindly watch it out, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel. So this is the given object and we have to draw the orthographic view of the given object. So initially this yellow color shaded portion will be the front side view, and this pink color shaded portion will be the side view, and the top view will be this sandal color shaded portion. So open AutoCAD, and the first command you have to give is limits. The lower left corner should be 210 and upper right corner should be 297, and the second command you have to give is units, and the precision should be 0. So first we will draw the front view. When we see this object from the front, this yellow color portion will be seen. So first we will draw this one. This length is given as 10. So 10 plus 30 minus 10 will be 20. So this rectangle will be of 20 into 10. Okay, so go to line, switch on the auto mode, draw a line for 20. So next this line for 10 mm, and again 20, again 10. So next we have to draw this square 10 cross 10. So go to line, from here 10, again 10, and connect to this. Okay. Now we have to draw this semicircle part, so semi-cylinder part. When we see this from the front side, it will be seen as a rectangle only. So it won't be a rectangle, it will be like a square. So 20 into 20. So go to line for 20, again 20, and draw like this. So now we have drawn this part, and again this 20 into 10, a rectangle. So go to line 20, sorry, ten, again 20, and connect it like this. So next we have to draw this 10 cross 10. Go to line, from here 10, so now this part automatically can connect these two lines. So this will be the front view of the given object. Now give the dimensions. So this will be the front view. Now we will draw the side view. When we see this object from the side, this pink color shaded portion will be seen. So this part and this part. First we will draw this line for 30 mm and 30 mm. Go to line. From here draw a line for 30 mm. One more line for 30 mm. So we have drawn this. Then the length of this will be 10, and this also 10. So again go to line 10 mm, again one more line for 10 mm. So the length of this will be 30 minus 10, 20, and this will be 20. So again 20 mm and connect this. So we have drawn this. Next we have to draw this. The length of this line will be 20 and the height will be 10. Again go to, so the length will be 20, height will be 10, and connect this. So this will be the side view of the given object. Again go to dimension, the dimensioning should not be inside the diagram, should be always outside the diagram. So this will be the left side view. Moving on to the next, the top view. When we see this object from the top, the sandal color shaded part will be seen. So now the length of this line will be 40 mm and this will be 20. So go to line, draw a line for 40 mm, and the next the length this will be 20 mm. Again from here draw one line for 20 mm. So now the length of this line will be 10 and this will be 20. So okay, from here draw a line for 10 mm and again draw a line from here for 10 mm. Now for drawing this semicircle we have to draw a line for 20 mm splitting into two, 10 mm. So again go to line, from here draw one line for 10 mm and again connect this. So this will be the center point of the semicircle. So the radius is given as 10 mm. See here, 10 mm. So again go to the line and draw a line for 10 mm. So now go to circle, from here draw line connecting the part like this. Now what you have to do is delete all the reference line. So go to trim, select all these lines and press enter, and now select this off, it will be trimmed off. So now delete this reference line. Okay, now we have drawn this part. Now we have to draw this part. So the length of this line will be 10. So go to line, from here draw one line for 10 mm and again this side for 10 mm. So the length of this line is given as 20 mm and the length of this is again given as 20. So draw another line for 20 and 20, again this side for 20 mm. So this will be 10 and connect this one. So this will be the top view of the given object. Now go to dimension, make sure that the dimension is not inside the diagram. Always the dimension should be outside the diagram. So that's how you draw the different views of the given object. So if you have any doubts, comment in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.